Hello guys, because we are conversant with the first introduction to the methods on how to solve Bernoulli's equation, we'll go straight to this. We are saying first form, we are saying find the general form and write this equation in terms of the general form. We are saying dy upon dx plus p of x, y should give me q of x, y raised to n. Okay, so already we have written this, so we're saying dy upon dx minus 5y should give me negative 5 over 2 x y to the third. Okay, so we are saying find our p of x. So our p of x, as you can see, is just negative of 5. We're saying what's our q of x? Our q of x is everything here, so it's just negative 5 over 2x. Then we'll find our n as equal 3. Then we'll find our mu of x. So let's calculate our mu of x. So say our mu of x equal e raised to the integral of 1 minus n multiplied by p of x dx. Okay, so that's our step so far. Follow my first video. So we're saying take this integral. So let's calculate that integral. So we're saying it's the integral of 1 minus what's my n? 3. Okay, multiplied by p of x negative 5 dx. Okay, so let's calculate this. It's just negative 2 multiplied by negative 5 dx, which will equal 10 outside the integral 1 dx. Okay, so I'll take this as 10x plus a constant of integration. Okay, but we won't include. So this is my integral. So I'll say my mu of x. So I'll say my mu of x equal e raised to 10 of x. Okay, so that's my answer. So we're saying equal e raised to 10 of x. So from there we're saying, so let's find our general solution. So these steps are quite easy. So our general solution is in the term x into y raised to n minus 1 minus n, 1 minus n, of which we know. So it should give me 1 upon mu of x. Then I'll multiply all these into the integral of 1 minus n multiplied by q of x multiplied by mu of x dx plus a constant integration. Okay, so I'll say this is just y raised to negative 2. Okay, because our n is 3. So I'll say 1 upon, so what's my mu of x? It's e raised to the 10. So it's e raised to the 10x. Then I'll multiply that whole expression with the integral of negative 2 at this point multiplied by, at this point you're saying it's negative 5 over 2x. Okay, negative 5 over 2x multiplied by mu of x. My mu of x is e raised to 10x. Okay, dx plus c. Okay, so from there we are saying, simplifying this, I'll get 1 over e raised to 10 of x, multiply all these into, so if I take this multiplication and these cancel, this negative cancel, I'll remain with 5. I can take 5 outside the integral and get, I'll remain inside the integral and remain with x multiplied by e raised to 10x. Okay, so dx plus a constant c. So our first step, we encountered with the problem of integration by parts. So label this as 1 over y squared. Okay, so this is our first equation that we should keep in mind. So let's go calculate the integration by parts. So it's saying this is integration by parts. You can use substitution, but for this case, if you analyze, we won't use the techniques of integration, which is use substitution, because if we take our u to be this, we should get 10. We can't cancel anything. Okay, we won't get our derivative dx, so we are only left with the option of calculating the integration by parts. So we're saying the integral of x multiplied by e raised to 10x dx. If I take this integration by parts, I should get my u as, if I write the formula Lie, as you can see, algebraic forms or functions usually come in front of exponential functions. So I'll take my u as this. So I'll take my u as x. Automatically, I'll find my du as just dx. Okay, should be 1 dx. So if I take my dv to be everything remaining inside the integral, which is e raised to 10x dx, if I perform the integration, I should get e raised to 10x, okay, divided by 10. Okay, so this is my v. Now, so let's write this. So we're saying the integration by parts formula usually say if you take the integral of u multiplied by dv, you expect your answer to be u multiplied by v minus the integral of v multiplied by du plus a constant of integration c. Okay, now, so let's calculate this. So we're saying the integral of x multiplied by e raised to 10x dx should give me my u, which is x, multiplied by my v, which is 1 over 10 e raised to 10x. Then I should subtract that with the integral of my v, which is 1 over 10 e raised to 10x, multiplied by my du, which is 1 dx. Okay, so so let's smile a bit because we're not going to perform a second integration by parts. So it's quite easy. So I'm saying the integral of x multiplied by e raised to 10x dx should give me, this is just I'd say 1 over 10 x e raised to 10x minus the integral. I'll take this 10 outside because it's I'll take this outside because it's a constant term. So I'll be remaining with e raised to 10x dx. As you can see, I'm respecting, I'll take the integral of this with respect to x. So if I take this integral, simply I'll get my answer. So if I take, so let me take this integral. I'll take the integral of e raised to 10x dx. I should get my answer as e raised to 10x e raised to 10x divided by 10 plus a constant of integration c. Okay, so I'll direct you back to how we integrate exponential functions. So go check the playlist on that. So we're saying this is just 1 over 10 e raised to 10x plus a constant of integration, which we won't be including at this point. So we are saying the integral of x multiplied by e raised to 10x dx should give me 1 over 10 x e raised to 10x, okay, minus 1 over 10. This 1 over 10 should multiply through all these, okay? So it should multiply 1 over 10 e raised to 10x plus, okay, shouldn't add the constant of integration at this point, okay? So let's clear this a bit. So we are saying the integral of x multiplied by e raised to 10x dx should give me 1 over 10 multiplied by x multiplied by e raised to 10x minus, if I take this, I should get minus 100, 1 over 100 multiplied by e raised to 10x. Okay, so this is my answer. So as we had written, so we are saying these are second important equation we have gotten. So let's get back. So we are saying taking that back to our general solution to this part, we're taking it to this part, and remember we should multiply that part with 5. Okay, so we're saying let's drop that part to this other side. So we're saying 1 over y squared should give me 1 upon, so 1 upon e raised to 10x, okay, 1 upon e raised to 10x, I should multiply that whole expression by 5, remember. Then that 5 I should multiply by this answer. Okay, I should multiply this 5 by 1 over 10 x e raised to 10x minus 1 over 100 e raised to 10x. Okay, then I should add that to a constant c and clear my answer. Okay, so let's see, maybe we have forgotten something. Simply no. Okay, so let's continue our simplification. So we are saying 1 over y squared should give me, I can take this to be a negative, so I can say e raised to negative 10x. Okay, I'll multiply that whole thing. So let's clear this. So let's clean this a bit. So this is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 x multiplied by e raised to 10x. Then if I distribute this a half to this point, I should get minus 1 over 20 e raised to 10x. Okay, plus a constant of integration at that point. So let's distribute these to this part and then again distribute this to this part. Okay, so I'll say 1 over y squared should give me, if I take this and multiply this to this part, we are saying it's e raised to negative of 10x multiplied by a half multiplied by x multiplied by e raised to 10x. Okay, then I'll minus that with 1 over 20 multiplied by e raised to negative of 10x multiplied by e raised to 10x. Then I'll add that to e raised to negative of 10x multiplied by a constant c. Okay, so we're saying, so let's cancel this. So we're saying using the powers of logarithms, we're saying if I add these logarithms, I should get 0. So these and these should go to 1. Okay, so I'll remain with a half x. Okay, minus, again at this point, these and these goes to 1. Okay, so I'll remain minus 1 over 20. Then I'll add that to c e raised to negative of 10x. Okay, so as you can see, the math is quite simple. So let's continue on expression. So saying this is 1 over y squared. Okay, so this is what we have gotten as our answer. So for us to get our, so you can say, I can write this as x upon 2 minus 1 over 20. Okay, plus maybe say I can take this c divided by e raised to 10x. Okay, so we'll get that as our y squared inverse. Okay, so for me to get my y squared, I should get, I'll take the reciprocal of both sides, so I can get 2 upon x minus 20, which is over 1. Then I'll add that to e raised to 10x divided by c. So basically these are general solution. Okay, so you can go further and perform the square root to this, so you'll get your y as positive or minus the square root of all these expression, which is 2 over x minus 20 over 1 plus e raised to 10x divided by c. So this is my general solution to this Bernoulli equation. So this is a general solution. So please check my other examples. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow to my TikTok channel and have a blessed day.